This week I'm delving into the realms of the white Xbox 360. This is one I bought faulty on eBay. As you can see, it's pretty dirty, but fortunately it turns on okay and works fine with no red ring of death. It does have one issue though. The disc drawer won't open, so it needs a strip down, a clean and a drawer repair. Getting the top and bottom off was a little tricky. I used a cotton bud with the end cut off to push through the holes and release the clips, but finding the right holes was really frustrating. Okay, and the last hole is under the rubber foot, just there. At least I'll know where to find the holes next time. Now, to get the main part of the case off at the front, there's four clips. There's three large ones, one small one, and you just need to hook them up with a spudger and they should come away nice and easily. I'd say that, and in this case it didn't, but they usually do just come off. There we go. Okay, that comes off nice and easily. However, the back is a different matter. You've got 5 little places to stick a screwdriver on the left and 2 on the right. If you stick a screwdriver in, it will ruin them. So I 3D printed these. These are keys that you can 3D print and they will help you to open the case nice and easily. I'll put a link down below. So you put one in here like that for the 5 on the left. You put one on here like that. And if it works, you'll hear a click, which I didn't. Do it again. Okay, that's that end done. The other side. There we go. There's the click. And they're out, and that is so much easier than trying to do it one at a time, because you open one, another one closes and that sort of thing. Once you've removed one side of the case, to remove the other side you need to undo some screws. Now unfortunately it's a specific head on the screws that's star shaped. Luckily I had one to be able to do it. There's 6 in particular you have to undo, but not any of the others. I'll mark those here now. now it's apart, the cleaning can start. I know it rhymes, I'm sorry. Now, to open the drawer once the case is off, what I need to do is push this plastic bar across. That lifts the laser head, and then try and find the edge of the belt just underneath the front of the drawer. It's a little bit tricky to find. Once you've got it, just roll it along with your spudger. The drawer will open a little bit, and then you can pull the rest out gently so it's open. The thing about rubber belts is they stretch, and if they're left too long in the same position, they will warp into that shape. In this case, it's an egg shape, and of course that means that it's going to slip when it's actually in operation now. So simply, we have to put a new one in to fix the problem. Now with that repaired, all that remains is to put everything back together again. Of course it does, yes. And yes, I did clean the inside of the disk drive before putting it back together. So there we go. Don't forget, if you're looking for the 3D print file for the case opening tool, I'll put a link in the description below. Lastly, if you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little vid of my shenanigans. And if you did, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel to grow. I'll see you next time. Take care. Ta-ra!